welcome back. Today I'm going to do this Barbie-ish makeup look. It kind of turned out a little bit gothic Barbie, kinda. Not really, but kinda. I wish I didn't went with the black on the bottom lashes, but it's okay. It's okay. I still like it. So yeah, my idea for today's video was to do something else, but I did my face makeup. I don't know why I did my face makeup. I never do my face makeup first. So yeah, first I did my face makeup. As I said, I don't know why. But then I grabbed the new one from Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and I started to apply the pink shade because I don't know, I wanted to see how it looks, I guess. I don't know why I started to apply this on my eyes and we end up here. Okay, so I wanted to film something else today. Never mind, it happened like that. Sometimes I'll be like that, you know. So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, I didn't show you what I used on my face. I pretty much used the exact same products I used in my last video. Yeah, anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this Barbie-ish makeup look, then keep on watching. I don't want any lash glue around it because the eyeshadow, it will look weird. Okay, so I'm going to use the Neon palette from Huda Beauty, and honestly it doesn't say the name. I forgot how this is called, but I'm going to start with this bright pink right here. I'm going to use a fluffy brush and I'm going to slowly build this color in my crease. This will be my transition shade. I really hate when this happens. Alright, we are good to go. Next I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go with this color. This is like a fuchsia color. So crazy pigmented, but as I said, I mean, yeah, you can totally see that I have some skippings and I don't know why. And also I'm going to build this like crazy. I feel like this star is going to be a fail because it's already lifting. I have to be careful. Next I'm going to remove the excess eyeshadow. This is so helpful. If you do a lot of eyeshadows, this is a must. You're gonna love this. So I'm going to remove the excess eyeshadow from my brush and I'm going to slowly blend upwards, picking more color. You know the deal. I asked you guys what should I film today, and someone said I should film a brow tutorial. Nothing has changed since I did my last eyebrow tutorial. Like I'm just using this eye pencil and I'm shaping them kinda straight and that's it. I feel like if I'm going to do a brow tutorial, it will be like 50 seconds long, you know? Well, with 2 minutes intro and 4 minutes outro, yeah, but the tutorial will be like 50 seconds. And also it said to film a very easy makeup tutorial for work. I already did plenty of those. So yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please check my previous videos because I feel like I've done a lot of makeup tutorials. Easy, very complicated, Instagram ready, barely there eyeshadows, I don't know, cut creases, halo eyes, smoky. I don't do that often, smoky eyes. I don't know, I feel like they're kind of boring. I don't know. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any ideas. What should I film next? I want to purchase some makeup from Focallure because, as I said, I was blown away by the quality of their products. So I want to place an order. But yeah, what should I film next? I said I want to film a tutorial in Spanish, but I don't know, you guys. I feel like I need someone to be here with me so I can speak Spanish because this, I don't know what I'm doing. You see, the heck, stupid ass bitch. So I feel like if I'm here by myself, I won't be filming a video in Spanish. Even if I forced myself to speak Spanish, I feel like I will mess it up because English will come out of my mouth, and keep in mind that English is not my first language, neither Spanish. So I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys want to see from me next. Because I feel like right now I'm not that inspired. So I feel like we are done with this eye makeup look. Super easy, one and done makeup look, even though we used two colors, but it looks like I used only one. And I'm going to remove the little star. You know that sound on TikTok? Please don't be ugly, please don't be ugly, please don't be ugly. I'm praying. Please don't be a mess. Well, next I'm going to do a wing liner, a more dramatic wing liner. I haven't done one in a while, and please send help. I'm going to use the Focallure eyeliner, and also I want to do something with this Colourpop eyeliner. This is white. I don't know. I feel like I want to do something in there. Let's see. Oh god. Okay, I'm going to fix this. Okay, listen. They are not perfect. Who do you think I am to achieve gorgeous, perfect, identical wings? Yeah. I know I said I want to play with this. Camera, what the heck? But I don't know. I don't feel it right now. I don't know. What should I do? Please send help. I don't even breathe when I'm doing this. Okay, I'm going to leave it like that. I've been listening to Britney Spears songs like crazy for the past week. Oh my god, I love her. My concealer looks kinda crazy. I did use the Nabla and Zoeva, a little bit of the Zoeva one. I feel like I can't find a good concealer to work for me. I feel like I want to apply just a little bit of this black liner in my waterline. I feel like this is a bad idea. Again. Yeah. I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to smudge that down to kind of mix it with the pink. I don't like it. Why I'm playing myself like this? Oh my god, why I did this? Alright guys, it wasn't my intention to go this dark on the bottom lashes, but I don't know why I went with this pencil, and yeah, I don't really like how it looks on the bottom lashes. Overall, it's pretty cute. Anyway, next I'm going to go with the BFF liner. You can't even see me. My lips are so dry. Now I'm going to apply just a little bit of this Revolution Pro lipstick in the shade Whispers. Oh my god, my lips are so disgusting. I hate using brushes on liquids. I don't know why. I don't like it, but you know, sometimes I have to. And you can even see that my lips are chapped and so disgusting. This formula is so good. To highlight my brow bone and my inner corners, I'm going to use this Artist Couture highlight in the shade Illuminati. Also, I'm going to apply this on my face because why not? Alright guys, so I guess that's it for today. I really like how this turned out, but I wish I didn't apply the black on my bottom lashes because I don't know, I feel like this kind of turned out into gothic Barbie now. Kinda, not really. I don't like the black on the bottom lashes, but it's okay. We learn from fails, right? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below what do you think, and also let me know what you guys want to see from me next. I kind of want to do an eyeshadow palette collection. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Oh, well, sometimes we fail, sometimes we learn from our fails. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. And they say she's so lucky, she's a star, but she cries, oh my gosh, she cries like nobody's business, okay? Oh my god, my chair. Can you please stop? Okay, I'm doing my intro. Apply the black on the bottom lashes because I'm not...